What we're displaying here is the Advanced Data Acquisition and Control System that we call ADACS, and it is designed to prevent arc fault incidents aboard naval vessels. So this is critical for our naval partners because it allows us to figure out when and where an arc fault is going to happen. It allows us also to shut down that associated power distribution system before it causes a catastrophic fault, or fire, or even worse. On the ships that we have this installed, which are just about all of the submarines, destroyers, and aircraft carriers with the Navy, U.S. Navy, this allows us, when an arc fault happens in a power distribution system, it will cause a catastrophic explosion and/or catastrophic incident with personnel. This allows us to figure that out or determine where that's going to happen and when it's going to happen before the incident, and allows us to shut down that power system before we have a catastrophic failure. So the major components of ADACS are what you see here is called the controller, and this is mounted on the ship, and this is the brains of the entire system. The things that we use to determine where the arc fault will happen are a pressure sensor. It also uses a photo sensor and an ionization detector, which is just like your smoke detector in your house. And using these three items, we can determine when and where an arc fault is going to happen before it happens. So DRS is a leader in this technology because we are the only company out there who has ruggedized this system for maritime use. So we've done quite a bit of work in beefing this technology up to make sure that it can withstand the rigors of being out at sea on a ship with all the vibration and movement that a ship typically has. So the Navy relies on us to ruggedize this system to make sure that it'll work no matter what the ships are going through. So the next iteration of ADACS is ADACS Generation 3, where we're trying to make the components smaller, lighter, and even more capable than they already are. So we're trying to help the Navy conserve space, to give them back some of the space that we occupy now, but keeping the same robust system intact.